Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Toyota Camry. We're talking about that Camry from year 2012 to year 2014. If you need to find where the airbag, guys, fuse is located, stay with us, we'll explain which two fuses you need to check. First, consider this entertaining video only. Why? Because airbags can kill you. Removing fuses for airbags, disconnecting airbag sensors, replacing airbag parts can kill you guys. They can hurt you, kill you even. So if you're not qualified and certified, never ever mess with them. Okay, for any of you that are qualified, you probably already know that, but quick reminder, disconnect the car battery for at least 1 hour before checking an airbag fuse, before actually working on the airbag system. And on these new modern vehicles, it's very important which battery terminal you disconnect, reconnect first, that way you don't burn the electronic modules. So there are multiple videos that will explain that on the internet, check it out. Now we'll explain which two fuses you need to check, where you can buy cheap fuses and relays, that way you don't waste your money, and why it's important to test fuses and relays. All that, guys, will be covered absolutely free for your convenience today. Make sure you stay until the end. So before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us, guys. We'll be making a video for every single fuse, every single relay in that generation Toyota Camry and every car we get at the garage. Why we do that? Because many of you will need that information sooner or later. Let's say you need a fuel pump, guys, fuse, or you need a steering angle sensor. Those will not be labeled correctly. You will have abbreviations that might say something like FI. You may not have an idea that's a fuel pump, guys, or fuel injection system. So that's why we're making video for every single fuse, every single relay, to save you time and money. And if you're stuck in the middle of nowhere, or if you need to find a fuse, all we have to do, spend a minute or two, watch the video, find out the fuse, instead of, guys, spending time to find it in the service manual, instead of, guys, wasting money, okay, and time on parts and tools you don't need. Another thing, guys, every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Those are our main YouTube channels. We have more than 1.2 million subscribers, guys, and we have more than 10,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in free repairs. Another thing, let us show you something quick. You have, guys, some special fuses and relays. We're going to put a link in the description of the video below where you can get fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you don't waste your money. You have those multi-block fuses, we'll put the link for them as well, for different fuses, for different relays, okay? All kinds of fuses and relays. If you need to buy some and not to waste your money, we'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get them from. Check it out. So let's start on it now. So now the airbag fuse, guys, where is located? Two fuses that we'll need to check on a 2013 Toyota Camry that we have right here, guys. Two fuses in two different fuse boxes. We will start with the fuse box that's hard to access. It's on the inside of the vehicle. If you come on the driver's side, look upside down above the pedals, under the dash, you're going to notice that you have one white cover. Once you remove it, you will see that you have a fuse box layout that will look just like this one right here. Before we, guys, continue, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So here, guys, let's explain what we need to check here. There is one fuse in this fuse box and we need to go to a different one. If you come in that fuse row right here, if you start from the bottom, count to the top, you have fuse number 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. Fuse number 31 is the one that you will need to check right here. Now, under the hood, you have another fuse box. You can see right here, that's your engine, car battery, that's the fuse box here. Open that cover and you will see a fuse box layout that will look just like this one. This is towards the windshield side, this is towards the front of the car. The fuse that you will need to check here for the airbag system is fuse number 37, guys. We're talking about that fuse, 10M fuse right here. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful. Thank you, guys, for watching. See you next time.